Hi, to all our 2021 graduates and their families and their friends, congratulations. You've graduated from one of the best engineering schools in the world, and I couldn't be more proud of you. My name is Sharon Wood, and I'm Dean of the Cockrell School of Engineering. It is unfortunate that we can't hold our traditional on-campus ceremony this year, but I am pleased that UT will be holding a university-wide ceremony in the DKR Texas Memorial Stadium. And I'm equally excited that each of you will be able to walk across the stage and be honored with our graduation recognition moments, which will be held here in the Engineering Education and Research Center. I hope that all of you will attend and choose to participate in both of these celebrations. You have certainly earned it. Although the entire Cockrell School is pleased to welcome your family and friends to campus and provide some type of in-person recognition for you, I realize that this is still an unconventional way to celebrate your graduation. And it's certainly not what any of us would have thought about a year and a half ago. But it is important to realize that the milestone we are recognizing today means so much more than simply an on-campus celebration. Traditional commencement ceremonies are joyous occasions, but they are one-time events. Your engineering degree from the University of Texas is enduring, and that degree is what we are really celebrating today. Graduates, this is a time of great joy and pride for your family and friends. They have supported and believed in you, and they have also provided encouragement as you overcame the many challenges associated with completing your engineering degree. I suspect that some of them are with you now, sharing in your achievement. If you are viewing this message with your loved ones, I want to ask each of you, right now, to give them a hug or maybe just a fist pump, but say thank you. Although the COVID-19 pandemic has shifted most of your classes online and changed your experience in unexpected ways, the Cockrell School will always pride itself in offering students a world-class engineering education. Over the course of your studies, you have persevered through a rigorous curriculum. You have been tested and challenged, especially over the past year, but you have overcome these obstacles and you have excelled. As new graduates of the Cockrell School, you have a bright future ahead of you. My hope is that you will leap into the next chapter of your lives with the conviction to not just make an impact, but to change society for the better. Graduation is not only special for you and your families, it is also a significant occasion for our faculty and staff. Texas Engineering is dedicated to building a strong, supportive, and inclusive community for all students, a community fostered by an increasingly diverse group of passionate professors who care deeply about our students' success and well-being. These faculty and staff members are thought leaders, award winners, innovators, and world-class researchers. But they are also committed to teaching our students and to providing critical support for their development. This personal investment and deep devotion to the educational mission of the Cockrell School is one of our core values as an institution, and it's what helps to set us apart from our peers. Our department chairs, the leaders of our 7 engineering departments, embody this devotion and serve as the champions for our academic mission. And they have each recorded a special message for our 2021 graduates.
Hello, class of 2021. I'm Clint Dawson, chair of the Department of Aerospace Engineering and Engineering Mechanics. I'm excited and honored to congratulate the newest aerospace and computational engineering graduates of our department. You have worked extremely hard to complete your degrees, and you should be proud of all that you've accomplished. The creativity and commitment you've shown during your undergraduate career is truly inspiring. You make us proud to call you Texas engineers. Although you may be feeling unsure about your future, you should be proud of the incredible growth you've undergone for these 4 years. You've mastered concepts, learned how to solve complex engineering problems, and understand how to apply your knowledge to the real world. You've also gained valuable experience working on teams and collaborating with people from different backgrounds. I'd like to mention just a few highlights that make your class of 2021 exceptional. Many of you were here as the department moved from WRW to the newly renovated ASC building. And although most of you haven't spent much time in our new home over the past year due to the pandemic, you were probably able to enjoy studying in the beautiful McKnight Student Center at some point. In your capstone courses, you've been building and flying aircraft, designing space exploration missions, and solving real-world problems using computational engineering methods, all while being limited to the use of lab space and in a mostly virtual environment. Many of you have also been conducting important research alongside our faculty, participating in internships and studying abroad. I'd also like to note that this spring semester marks only the 4th class of computational engineering graduates to receive this degree since the program was established in 2018. You are truly pioneers in the engineering field. And for the past year, your class has remained determined, resilient, and strong, despite the ongoing global pandemic. As you transition to the next chapter in your life, I challenge you to reach for the sky and beyond, just like so many of our alumni are doing right now. Congratulations, please keep in touch with us, and hook 'em horns.
Class of 2021, I want to wish you a hearty congratulations. You have just completed a challenging program in biomedical engineering. During your time here, I hope you've all developed a love for the unique city of Austin and discovered the breadth of excellence at UT. Through your time in BME, it has been wonderful to watch you grow in both your technical skills and your confidence in conquering new challenges. The resilience that you have built will serve you well as you embark on your careers, whether in industry, grad school, or medical school. In particular, both the instructors and project sponsors for senior design have been impressed with how well you adapted your projects to the challenging circumstances of this year. This is the true sign of a good engineer. Today, more than ever, we realize how important it is to have a workforce trained to solve engineering design problems to meet real-time needs in healthcare delivery. From the pharmaceutical industry to diagnostics, vaccine production, and medical devices, we need your broad engineering expertise and knowledge of biological systems to solve the current and future challenges our global society will face. As practice problem solvers, I know that you are poised to lean towards optimism and will make great impacts on individual lives. As you head out into the world, take with you that design mindset, seeking to identify what could be improved wherever you land. Keep asking the question, why do we do it this way? I challenge you to continue making an impact and to change the world for the better. The faculty and staff of biomedical engineering will be watching with excitement to see all that you will accomplish in the future. Hook 'em.
On behalf of the Department of Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering, I want to wish the class of 2021 congratulations on your graduation. We've got 100 Bachelor's of Science graduates in civil engineering, 60 Bachelor's of Science graduates in architectural engineering, and 45 Bachelor's of Science graduates in environmental engineering. As well, we've got 85 Master's of Science graduates and 35 PhD graduates. We're really, really proud of all of you. We're really excited about all the great things you're going to do going out in the world with your degrees from our department. And we ask that you stay in touch and let us know about all the exciting things that you end up doing. Congratulations and hook 'em.
Congratulations to the graduates of the McKetta Department of Chemical Engineering. We've been thrilled to have you and your intellectual vitality with us on the 40 acres, and we're proud of what you've accomplished. You've overcome historic challenges through the pandemic, perhaps struggling at times, but ultimately you thrived. You made it. You made your own opportunities and you uplifted your classmates. You will carry with you the learning and the successes that you've had in your time at UT. The problem-solving skills you've worked hard to hone and the professional networks you've started to develop will serve you well in ways you haven't yet imagined. We look forward to seeing you again as alumni and to hearing about all the ways that you start from here and change the world. Congratulations and hook 'em horns.
To the newest graduates of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, congratulations on this momentous achievement. We celebrate your accomplishments and thank everyone who has made your journey possible, your family and friends, everyone who's been a source of inspiration and support during this successful, yet not always easy journey. Today is not only about becoming an engineer or a professional, it's also about the lifelong connection to UT and to our Texas EC community. To give you a proper send-off, here are my thoughts on what in hindsight, I wish I had been told at my graduation. First, don't be afraid to be afraid or feel overwhelmed, especially in difficult times like these. The Success Summit sits on top of a mountain of failures. So pick yourself up and move forward in the face of failure. Second, Don't let only your work define you. Your most creative moments may be outside of work and may end up being your legacy while challenging the status quo. And finally, more haste, less speed. Pause and think slowly rather than act fast. Be mindful of your own time and enjoy it. Just like you should enjoy this wonderful moment together with your family, friends, and the Texas EC community. Keep in touch with us and remember that once a Texas EC member, you're always part of our department and extended Texas EC family. Congratulations on this great achievement. You've made it. Hook 'em.
Let me begin with a heartfelt congratulations to the graduates of the Walker Department of Mechanical Engineering. The class of 2021 will certainly be remembered as overcomers. You did it, and I'm so proud of every single one of you. Today, I, along with your loved ones and all the Longhorn family, celebrate and congratulate you on all that you have accomplished. We honor you for all your hard work that got you to this day of great celebration. You have been resilient and creative and persistent. You have overcome obstacles and have the passion, determination, and education to change the world for the better, in big ways and in small ones, and I know you will. Some of you will follow your life streams into industry, and others will take the next steps into continued education. Wherever your path is taking you, I can't wait to see what you do next. Please stay in touch and enjoy this next chapter in life. And remember to always hook 'em.
To the newest graduates of the Hildebrand Department of Petroleum and Geosystems Engineering, I want to say congratulations. Congratulations on your resiliency. Congratulations on your hard work. Congratulations on your dedication and friendship to each other. I'm here representing myself as well as the faculty and staff of the Hildebrand Department in wishing you the best when you leave the 40 acres and go into the working world. The energy business is in transition. I encourage you to see this and take this as an opportunity. But when you need help, don't be afraid to reach out to your friends, reach out to your peers, reach out to us back here in Austin. We're here to help you, and we wish you the best and want to see your success. So as you leave, think of the memories, take those memories with you, come back and see us to tell us the new memories you've made in your new life outside of Austin, Texas. But once again, I want to say congratulations on graduating from the top petroleum engineering program in the country, and hook 'em.
Congratulations to all of you in our class of 2021. You are now members of the engineering profession. As engineers, you have the unique ability to create a better world for future generations. You can make a difference. If you ever need support or advice, remember that you are now part of one of the best alumni communities in the world. I encourage you to remain in contact with your professors, come back to campus and mentor students, continue to strengthen the close friendships you've made with your fellow engineers, and support your alma mater. So now, as I conclude, I have some simple questions for each of you as you start the next phase of your lives. What will you do? Where will you go? And how will you contribute for the betterment of your community, our nation, and society? The answers will be different for each of you, and the path along the way will be dotted with highs and lows, but you will have an abundance of opportunities. Work hard, take risks, and trust your abilities. And remember the tradition of excellence that guided your experiences at the University of Texas. Always strive to improve your life, the lives of those around you, and our world. This is your moment, and you deserve to celebrate. Congratulations again to the graduating class of 2021, and hook 'em horns.